Hey, welcome back again. All right, so today we'll be looking at another PSLE Math 2023 question. It's called jogging. All right, so this is actually a distance speed time kind of questions. So, ready, cassette, go! All right, so who do we have? We have Bern, that's me, and Sally, my calculator's name, jogging from point A to point C at a constant speed. So this is point A, this is point C. All right, so we started jogging at point A towards point C at a constant speed. Bern was 30 meter per minute faster. Thank you. Than Sally. After Bern jogged to point C, he immediately turned back and jogged back to A. Wow, it's like those what's that called? Shuttle run. All right, you touch the point C and you turn, right, to go back to your starting point. He met Sally at point B. Their speed remained constant throughout. What was Sally's speed? Oh, very interesting kind of question. All right, from the diagram, we also know that from point A to point B is a 4,000 meter. From point B to point C is a 600 meter. All right, so down here, I'm going to show you a little diagram, all right, of me, Superburn, and Sally, all right, trying to complete the journey from A to C and eventually meeting at B. All right. So we know that Bern's constant speed is 30 meter per minute. What? Faster. All right. So children, you must understand what does this 30 meter per minute means. All right. It means that in 1 minute, per minute means in 1 minute. All right. Bern is able to cover an additional what? An additional 30 meter, all right, compared to Sally. Do you understand? So in 1 minute, Bern is able to cover an additional 30 meter compared to Sally because I am faster. 30 meter per minute faster than Sally. Is that okay? All right. So children, can you just do a little imagination with me? If there isn't this portion here, right? There isn't this portion. All right. It simply means that Bern and Sally will be of the same speed. So for example, in 1 minute, what will happen? Bern and Sally will be here. This will be Bern, this will be Sally. All right. In another minute, Bern and Sally will be here. Bern and Sally. Can you see not? Right. So in another minute, Bern and Sally will be here. Right. That is if what? If they are of the same speed. Do you understand? Right. So if they are of the same speed, right, it's basically saying what? It's basically saying that me and Sally, we are holding hands and we are jogging. Wow, nice. All right. So, but that's not true. All right. That's not true because Bern, super Bern, all right, supposed to be a little bit faster. Right, but that's not true in the real life. That's not important. Important thing is super Bern is faster, and what will happen? Check this out. All right. So for example, in the first minute, Bern is faster by 30 meters, right? You see? Wow, they are moving. Look. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, not bad, huh? Can you see not? Every minute, right, Bern will be 30 meter faster than Sally. So every meter, right, every minute what happen? Right, Bern will continue to be more and more faster until he can U-turn, all right, and come back upside down. And eventually they touch. Oh, they form the heart shape. Is it like that? Or is it like that? Okay, something like that. All right, eventually they form the heart shape. All right, and eventually they met at B. Do you understand? All right, so the reason why Bern is able to go through the extra distance. And what is the extra distance? From here to here, 600 meter. And after that, from here to here, another 600 meter. So, children, can you see what is happening? Can you see? So, Bern is actually covering another what? Covers an additional what? Bern covers an additional 600 meter plus 600 meter equal to 1,200 meter in order to make the heart shape with Sally. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, that's not important. All right, so you must understand that Bern covers 600 plus 600 meter in order to catch up with Sally at this particular point B. Is that clear? And remember what did I say about this 30 meter per minute? All right. It means that in 1 minute, burn covers what? Burn covers an additional 30 meter more. All right. 30 meter more. Understand or not? In every 1 minute. So how about this 1,200 meters? So inside the 1,200 meters, right? Inside the 1,200 meters, all right, which is the additional, right? How many sets of 30 meters are there? That's the question. All right, in this 1,200 meter additional, how many sets of additional 30 meters are there? All right, so if you do a division, it's actually what? 40. And 40 what? It's 40 sets. To be more precise, right, it's actually 40 what? 40 minutes. Very good. All right, because down here the rate is what? In 1 minute, there will be a additional 30 meters covered. All right, so in 1,200 meters, how many sets are there? There's actually 40 sets. 40 sets is like 40 minutes, which means that Sally, all right, Sally ran for what? She ran for 40 minutes at a constant speed. Wow, that's also very incredible. And how far did she run? All right, she ran a distance of 4,000 meters. Oh, very good, which means that your magical DST triangle is put into good use. The question is looking for what? The question is looking for the speed. All right, so speed is equal to distance over time. All right, distance over time. Okay, so what's our distance? Our distance is actually equal to 4,000 meter over the time. What's the time? The time is 40 minutes. And all you got to do is to press your calculator, and your calculator will give you a 100 meter per minute. Bam! And that is Sally's speed. Right? Yes, and that is correct. Right? If you don't believe, you can do a check, no problem. All right. We understand that Burn constant speed is 30 meter per minute faster than Sally, right? So we can do a check. Come, let's do a check for fun. Okay. So if the answer Sally is 100 meter per minute, Burn's speed will be plus 30, right? So 100 plus 30 will be equal to 130 meter per minute. Is that understood? Oh, minute with the S. All right. So burn speed will be 130 meter per minute. And guess what? Guess what? Burn also ran the same what? The time, right? The time. All right. Let's say it's at 40 minutes, right? If 40 minutes is correct. So what is the distance that burn actually covers? Let's see. So distance equal to speed times time. All right. 130 times the 40 minutes is equal to 5200. Huh? 5200? He covers so much, meh? Let's check, Let's check, So he ran for what? He ran for the 4,000 meter. He reached point C, which is another 600 meter. He U-turned to reach point B at another 600 meter. So is 4,000 plus 600 equal to 5200? Woo! It's perfect. All right, everything works out so well. All right, so the checking portion is correct too, which means that I can guarantee that Sally's constant speed is 100 meter per minute. I did it. Good job. All right, so that is how you do this type of question. All right, so children, remember that this type of question, distance, speed, time is also gaining popularity. All right, so you need to be able to figure out the idea. All right, so always think of them running at the same speed first. So if they are running at the same speed, they will be at the same position in a way. They will be holding hands running. But if one of them is faster, what happens? One of them will be able to gain a greater distance than the other. All right, so in a way, you are supposed to compare the differences. All right, sometimes you can think in that direction. Cool? All right, children, that's all for this question. All right, I hope to see you more. All right, you can go and search up on our YouTube at 88 Tuition. All right, you can see many of the PSLE questions from the previous year. Cool? All right, catch you soon. And remember to learn with burn.